Hi friends, in today's video we will be going to see some important questions and answers from element 2. This is the part 1, so let us start. Friends, our first question is, what are the elements of ISO 45001? So we have already discussed all the elements in detail in our notes section, so you can refer that video, but I will read out the points. First one is the context of the organization, second leadership and worker participation, third is planning, fourth is support, fifth is operation, sixth is performance evaluation, and seventh is improvement. All the details about each of these 7 points are already mentioned in my notes, which you can refer in the other videos. Now friends, the second question is, what is the role of evaluation in the ILO OSH 2001 health and safety management system? So you can write to check whether the process is going in a right path or not. And it is also useful to review the effectiveness of the arrangements which are already put in place. So this is the role of evaluation in the ILO OSH 2001. Now we'll see the third question. What are the elements of ILO OSH 2001 health and safety management system? So for this the answer will be the policy, the organizing, the planning and implementing, the evaluation, the audit, action for improvement, and the continual improvement. So again, all the details are mentioned in the notes section of the element 3, which is there in our channel. Now the fourth question is, explain PDCA cycle. Very simple, the answer will be plan, do, check and act. And since they are asking as the explain, you have to write the details for each points, how you will be planning, how you will be doing, how you will check it, and how you will act. Now the fifth question is, identify the 2 widely recognized health and safety management systems. So the 2 widely recognized health and safety management systems will be ILO OSH 2001 and ISO 45001. Now our sixth and last question is, what are the differences between ILO OSH 2001 versus ISO 45001? So you know ISO 45001 is a new system which is introduced in the NIBOSH. So you have to write the positive about ISO 45001, how it is more advanced and how it is more better than ILO OSH 2001. So these are the points which we will be writing. The ISO 45001 demonstrates top management commitment, which means the management commitment will be more in the system. The management roles will be more. Similarly, ISO 45001 takes into account the context of the organization. The context of the organization means it includes all the details of organization, how the organization is going to plan, what is their man strength, what is their resources. So all the parameters will be accounted in ISO 45001. Similarly, ISO 45001 is a risk-based approach. So there is no conflict with the existing standards. If you see the ILO OSH 2001, it will be a hazard based. So since ISO 45001 is a risk based system, it will be more proactive in nature. Similarly, you can say ISO 45001 is an integrated management system, so it fits easily with other ISO systems like 9001 and 14001. Next, you can write top management will have to take ownership and show commitment to a culture of good health and safety within their organization. So as we have mentioned in the first point, the top management will be totally responsible in new system of ISO 45001 because they will be totally involved into all the matters. Similarly, you can write the ISO 45001 creates more internal systems and provisions for workers' involvement, which includes consultation, training, and identify and take opportunities for improvement at all levels. So it will be providing more detailed consultation training scopes, and it will be included as the documents. Also, if you consider the ISO 45001 requires all companies to consider how suppliers and their contractors are managing their risks in their premises or in other premises. Similarly, the term document and record have both been replaced with the term documented information in ISO 45001. So there is no separate terms like document and record which were used in the earlier system, but in the new system it is a documented information, which means all the information, everything must be recorded, and the whole management will be having access to these documents, and they will be aware of all the information flow in the system. So that is the reason the new system ISO 45001 is very much effective compared to other